Ready whenever. You ready? Huh? Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm doing a brake job. I kind of already did a little bit of the work, so I got the tire off. You know, they be saying the size and all that shit, but you'll figure it out once you get to doing it. You'll know what size, whichever fits.
You know, because this shit had 2 different sizes, so it kind of fucked me up. So I put the tire in here, so just in case this weak ass little Jackie got fuck up, you know, and this rusty ass little rust, you know, that part was part of it anyway. As we continue, I'm getting the, you know, the bolts off here so I can get to the brake. This motherfucker done rolled the damn brake off. Look, he don't got no brake in, he got nothing but this shit. Look at them. Don't ever do that, people. So mostly ladies, it's gonna be y'all. Y'all the one that's gonna really need this, because I know y'all ride them brakes and they old, you know? Y'all fuck around, he new rotors. Oh shit, come to the list. He need rotors. Say that. Come to the list. Come to the list, motherfucker. You need rotors. Come to it. Come to this. See what I'm talking about? You feel that? It's rough. It's rough, very rough.
This move is that baby ass over here. This rough.
Yeah, so
under the tip.
But we gonna put this brake on here and it's gonna, you know, ride out and get it back smooth. You know what I'm saying? But you'll need a new rotor very soon. Drop that down off in the drawers. Alright. Here, it's all pudding. Pudding, that's what you make pudding, right? Here's pudding.
Shout out to Big Tyler.
Ooh, wee. Uh-oh. Alright. Put these bitches on. Like that. Get in there. Look, Rusty, these motherfuckers look good too. Pretty good, huh?
We gonna be happy about this, boy. Them motherfuckers get some brakes, man. No more bullshit. No more bullshit. Respect. Oh! Wear gloves, people. Do that.
Motherfucker. Get in there.
That's what she said.
Yeah, there you go. She in there. All right. This what you need to look that for. Hand me that right there. You see this piece of, get back! Get back! We gotta get it! Y'all wanna be on the channel? Y'all be on that soon? Do that. This. So when you hit the brakes or whatever, this you gotta loosen it back, pull it back out, push it back in, so you put it back on there and shit anyway. But when you get in your car, make sure you push the brakes. Like push the brakes so they stop being so loose. And it's gonna tighten this back up to where it's right on the brakes. You feel me?
Got your cousin Napier.
Cousin Napier, all type of shit. I'm in my doctor gear right now, shit.
Yeah, but you Will Smith right now.
Will Smith, he ain't working on no damn car. He ain't doing nothing. Oh, you saying 'cause I'm funny. Alright, that'll work. So we gonna push that motherfucker on in there. Sorry for the cuss words. We gonna push that motherfucker on in there though. That shit on in there. Oh shit, you see that shit?
Like a fight.
Hey, one more time. You going up.
Bitch, you going down, bitch.
Okay, this thing's gonna cuss on my channel. You got real explicit, guys. Explicit language, motherfucker.
Part 2.
Alright, then loosen back up to get it on up out of there. Just a tad bit. On up out of there. Give me that motherfucker. Come on, man. I don't want to throw off the goddamn thing. This way we gonna zoom it in. I mean, fast forward anyway. They gonna team up and beat his ass. Go! Chill. You're getting too aggressive. Get too aggressive with the pussycat.
He trying to run. She running. It's her.
Oh, it's her. We don't get this time in the cage. We don't get this in the cage. We don't get it.
He got an ass.
Chill.
He got her real quick. She don't want no smoke. Chill out, bro. Fight right behind you.
They in the cage together though. That's the fucked up part. Get that bullshit in there. See, they usually have some little this shit.
Yeah, lube. Okay, lube it up. In case you can't get it in there.
Mm. butt.
Can't put that in that motherfucker. I delete that part.
You did that?
Yeah, I just did. No, that's it. Move so damn much.
Alright, let's put a little juice over here. Now time it. Go back on. It didn't take long at all, baby. How long is that? How long is that? How much time is that? Where we at? It ain't take long at all. My hand's cold because we got me out here in this 25-degree weather. It's negative 20 out here, y'all. We're in Michigan. Bitch.
That's my
Bitch, like, why would you say too short?
You say bitch because it's colder than
Really? Hey, alright, we gotta go. Go in with the soap. Why you gotta say my face? Hey, hey, that's a girl. That's a female. Yeah, she trying to run and shit. Go, go.
Look at that. Leave her alone.